So, last time, what did you do? I mainly focused on the face of this tiger and tried to get him to look fluffy. Fluffy? Okay. Are you gonna name him Fluffy? Here, Fluffy. Come here, meow meow kiki fluff fluff. No, I don't think we need to name him. He's just part of the painting. Okay. I'll leave that one alone. Any ideas? What do you want to do today? I think we should continue working through the body of the tiger, at least for today. Just to get some shape out of him so he doesn't look so two-dimensional. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. He definitely looks two-dimensional right now. How are you going to get those shapes out of him? I'm just going to go in with lighter colors and like inside of here, inside the musculature of the arms and what have you, and the rib cage, I will attempt to make it look as if it's coming out, as if there's shape to the leg and ripples to this giant forearm. That sounds like a good plan. I like that plan. Right, so we're gonna paint the body of a tiger. I think so. Yeah, let's do that. All right, my friend, let's give it a go.